let's expand this square of a trinomial, 2x squared minus 3y minus 5z raised to the second power. So we're going to do that by grouping. So I'll group the last two terms here. So that's 2x squared minus, so we'll factor out minus 1. So that becomes 3y. That's minus, preceded by a minus sign. So I change the sign. That's plus 5z. Quantity squared. Now, if I denote 2x squared as A and 3y plus 5c as B, we now have here A minus B raised to the second power. So that's the square of the difference of two numbers. Now, if you will recall, A minus B quantity squared is equal to A squared minus 2AB plus B squared. So that's the general formula of the square of the difference of two numbers is equal to the square of the first term minus twice the product of the first and last terms plus the square of the last term. So we're going to substitute A equals 2x squared, B equals 3y plus 5c. So we're going to substitute this in this formula. So that's A squared 2x squared quantity squared minus 2ab. So that's 2 times A, that's 2x squared, times B, 3y plus 5z plus B squared. So this one, 3y plus 5z raised to the second power. So let's simplify. That's square of 2x squared is 4x to the fourth power minus, so that's this one times 3y. 2 times 2 is 4 times 3 is 12 x squared y. So that's minus 12 x squared y. So this times this one. So that's minus 2 times 2 is 4 times 5 is 20 x squared c. So that's minus 20 x squared z plus this one, square of a binomial only is the sum. So we could write the general formula here. That's A plus B raised to the second power is equal to A squared plus 2AB plus B squared. So it's the square of the sum of two numbers. So that's the square of the first term. So that's 9y squared. Plus twice the product of the first and last term. So 3y times 5c is 15yz times 2. So that's 30yc plus 30yz plus the square of the last term. So 5z raised to the second power is 25c squared. And that's the answer.